So here she is. This is my Lexus GX470. It's a 2005 again, like I said, and it's clean. It's really clean actually. So yeah, I'm located here in Southern California, so it's no rust or anything. Soccer mom owned. It's just great. Had to jump on it. Basically, I wanted one for a while. Wanted to build it. I didn't buy it in this current setup that I have here. I actually bought it completely stock, and got all the work done within the first month and a half of ownership. But anyway, I'll try to get an angle from the back. I don't know if you can tell how big it is, but it's actually pretty freaking big for what it is. Anyway, it's got a 3-inch lift on it. I've got the TRD Pro wheels down here. These are actually Pirelli Scorpion tires. These are 285 70/17, and everybody's kind of actually going with the KO2s and stuff like that. But I've always been a big fan of Pirelli, and I knew about these tires. Not many people run them, but I was reading about them, and I'm like, yep, can't pass it up. I'm gonna go ahead and do my own thing. So I went with the Pirellis. Absolutely love them, and you can see these are pretty aggressive tires, pretty big. And I love them, and they grip, and they're not loud either. So these are mud terrains, but they're not loud on the road. I don't mind it at all. I can barely hear it, so it's cool to me. But anyway, yeah. So I don't actually like pointed back there, but you couldn't. I didn't even say anything about this. So anyway, back here, you can't really see from this angle, but anyway, that's an old man emu coil back there. I got rid of the airbags. These are Bilsteins back here. These are 5100s in the back. In the front, I have the Bilstein 6112s up front, and the built right upper control arms. Everything down here, I pretty much replaced everything when I did this, just to avoid any problems in the future. So everything was good to go. So really, when I was getting these installed, I ended up spending probably about $1,000 more than I had planned originally. But I figured it was better off to do it then than have to come back later because something broke and get it done then, and then have to pay even more labor because you have to take everything apart and do it all again. So yeah, I just went ahead and did it all at once. Spent an extra $1,000 more than I planned, but this thing is gorgeous. So that's the outside. This is the other angle. Yeah, still got the running boards on. A lot of people take them off. I'm not really interested in that. I actually do like them. They don't bother me at all, and I don't do anything too crazy where I need that extra clearance right now. So I'll go ahead and show you the interior. This thing is also clean. So on the interior, I have done a couple of things. So I'll just go ahead and hop in. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit for you. Actually, I can't even zoom out anymore. I thought I was gonna use my wide angle, but I can't in this 4K quality here. But anyway, the dash, pretty good. So these are notorious for the for dash cracking. I do have a little bit, but you can't really tell. It's pretty good to go. So anyway, very clean. This was the non-nav edition, still is obviously, but I upgraded and got a Alpine head unit. This is doubled in. I would turn it on, but I don't want to have any copyright issues, so I'm not really going to. But it works great. Seats are in great condition. Have my trash here, you know, Starbucks, McDonald's, whatever. Shout out. Back seats are brand new, literally brand new. I also took the third row out. But yeah, I mean, there's pretty much not really any real sign of aging here, other than the headlights, like you saw, they're a little bit fogged over. Minor dash cracking, and then the front seats have slight, you know, age to them, but not much. I'll go to the back. Open this up. Yeah, this thing is pristine. I mean, check this out. It's really nice, really clean. I have my Fiji water down there. Shout out. But yeah, now let's go to the trunk. So this is, oh, actually, here we go. So LRD off-road, I'm sure many of you all are familiar with the TRD, you know, Toyota Racing Development. This is Lexus Racing Development. A lot of us are doing this in the Lexus community nowadays, whatever. I think it looks cool, so I did. This is something cool that I did. I added this this patch wall in here. So I actually took some Velcro. Oh, sorry, I'm not even aimed at it. I actually put some Velcro down here. Have my patches on there. Kind of awkward shapes over here, so I couldn't really figure out how I wanted to line them up, but I went ahead and put them on there. But yeah, that's a pretty cool addition that I did. Haven't seen really anyone else do that. A lot of people are putting them on their headliners up here, which is cool too, but I didn't want to ruin my headliner with the Velcro, so I went ahead and put it back here on this plastic. and have nothing to worry about. If I don't like it or if I sell the vehicle, easily just pull it right off and you're good to go. But yeah, anyway, so back here, nice storage. Took out the third row, plenty of room. I have a 12-inch sub back here. I have the amp actually mounted under the driver's seat. Everything's bolted in, but I still have plenty of cargo space. No real sacrifice. If I really need it, I can take it out. Haven't needed to. And also these seats fold down completely flat. So yeah, anyway, getting a little long-winded here. It's been about 5 minutes, but I love this thing. Not gonna lie to you, it's amazing, and I would definitely recommend it to a friend. Anyone who's looking into buying one of these, I'd definitely buy it over the 4Runner, definitely buy it over the FJ. Yeah, I mean, it's a great vehicle. It's reliable, it's comfortable. I mean, super comfortable, rides on cloud. Even after the lift, even with the mud trains, this thing is awesome, and I definitely recommend it. Thank you.